Welcome to PCCOER. Myself Yuvraj Pardeshi. As I represent Mechanical Engineering Department, I would share some few words of Mechanical Engineering. As we often know that Mechanical Engineering is all few about gears, manufacturing and machines. But rather than that, PCCOER also consists of non-technical clubs. We also have many clubs such as Supra, Baha, Tiffin and E-Bike. As we know that PCCOER represents M-Baha and E-Baha has secured AIR1 and AIR9 in lots of international and national events. As we move towards the department, we also have MESA that consists of the technical knowledge and many clubs involved in it. We also have a good placement ratio on 4th year and a good internship offers in 3rd year and 2nd year. As we know that there is a common PCET trust which consists of T and P cell, gives a very equal opportunity for all the students. As we in Mechanical Engineering Department, there are various IVs, industrial visits in 1st year, 2nd year and 3rd year that may increase your knowledge in also hands-on training. As we know that head of the department, Dr. 𝐁.𝐓𝐞𝐬𝐡 sir, has also organized various sessions on hands-on training that also enhance the students' knowledge and experiences on the hands-on basis. We have many workshops such as CATIA, SolidWorks and MATLAB simulation, which also increase the knowledge of the students in various sectors. As Mechanical Engineering is also a core department, we also have different subjects in PCCOER which may conduct different sessions to also increase knowledge in electrical and also core Python and C++ languages. As we know that we are in Mechanical Engineering, we have also gained a lots of knowledge in core languages, but we have different companies that also take the students from the core technical and non-technical students. As the placement ratio is good, we have the more placement basis on the core branches and also on the diploma students. So all can take admission in PCCOER in any of the branches, and welcome to you.